guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm on my way into Hobby Lobby to see what I can find. Maybe see if they have any new items out for Valentine and for Easter and other items. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Alright, so it looks like my store is just putting out their Easter items. But they had these last year, these Believe. They have Hope. And I see one in yellow that says Faith. There's a lot of them. I see Peace as well, Joy, Love. These are $2.99. I see these little wooden eggs right here. Those are very nice. $4.99 for those. And here at the bottom, they have all of the different color Easter eggs here at the bottom. $7.99 for those. So as you can see, they're still putting items out. They have these right here. They're plastic. They're $2.99, but they're very pretty. I love this one right here. They have these little Easter crosses right here. This one here, I see one that says Hello Spring. These are $2.99. They have tons and tons of the Easter carrots up there, the black and white check. Here is a 4-pack of carrots right here for $5.99. They have these ones right here. A lot of the picks that they're putting out, the different picks for $3.99. What are these right here? These are just a bag of eggs right here, if you can see those. And they are going for $4.99. So I'm going to start right here. They have a lot of the Easter wreaths right here. They have this Easter cross right here. They have these welcome signs right here for $29.99. He is risen. This is $6.99. And I'm trying to find the price of this Easter cross right here. Let's see. $34.99 for that. Yeah. Welcome signs. Welcome spring. And they have a Happy Easter. Both of those are $9.99. They have the Easter bunnies right here. $9.99 for that. Happy Easter. $3.99. And they have the little yard signs here at the top of here. The little tulips. Those are $7.99. Happy Easter. It's like a little card. Let's see the price of it is. $5.99 for that. He is risen, $6.99. And they have these welcome signs right here for $9.99. Happy Easter, $15.99. And they have the welcome signs and Happy Easter signs here for $13.99. Happy Easter, Hello Spring, He is risen. These are going for $19.99. Cottontail Confectionery, Easter Bunnies, Handmade Daily Jelly Beans, Candy Eggs, $19.99. And they also have one in black as well. Hello Spring, $12.99. Worthy is the Lamb. And they have these right here. I'm not sure the price of this one and this one. Locally grown carrot patch. And then they have the one with the blue truck up there. They have these right here. Let's see. $9.99 for those. Those Easter signs down there. And let's see if I can find the price. $19.99 for those. How cute is this? Easter. These are $4.99. And they have the one that says Spring, $4.99 as well. They have the different color tulips, $3.99. Those are really pretty. They have these little ceramic Easter bunnies, pink and white and blue and white. And there's black and white on the back. Let's see what the blue one has. Yellow and white. That's the yellow and white, and that's the black and white. These are $6.99. And they have these right here. You're my little jelly bean. These are $5.99. They have them in blue, pink, and green. You are extra special. And the green one says, somebody loves you.
Nowhere to register for, please. Nowhere to register for.
Hippity hoppity. Happy Easter. These are going for $9.99. I'm going to move this one here for a moment so I can look and see. Oh, that says the same thing. It's just out of place. They have the little, I'm assuming these are little bunnies. Yep. Not sure what the price of these are. They have the little white bunnies right here for $29.99. Excuse me. By this we know love, because Jesus Christ laid down his life for us. This is $9.99. It says Easter. They have these little guys right here hanging out. They're $4.99. The little girl and guy. How cute are these right here with the little legs? $3.99 for those. He is risen. This is very nice. $9.99. They have these little guys and girls hanging out. $6.99. And guys, look at the little light up trucks here. Those are really cute. They are going for $4.99. And they have tons and tons of these little bunnies up here. They even have a pink and blue truck, a night light. These are $14.99. A lot of the little Easter decors right here. How cute are these little brown guys right here? They are $3.99. They even have the gnomes for Easter. Those are really cute. $7.99 for those. We have these guys right here. And look at those little cute guys there at the bottom. $8.99 for those. They have these church houses right here with the pink and blue tops, and they light up. $7.99. And they have this little lantern right here that lights up, if you can see that. Very cute. $39.99 for that. So as you can see, they have a lot of craft items. They have acrylic paint, mini baskets. They have the flat back eggs here, the bunnies, some of the gel cleans. All of these items are in between $2.99 and $3.99. They have the metallic eggs here. They have the carrots, the assorted gemstones. They have the pastel eggs here. They have these turquoise and pink buckets right here, if you can see those, for $7.99. Excuse me. A lot of the stickers here. A lot of nice DIY projects, guys. They have eggs here that you can paint. He is risen. And they have these right here. Easter icons. These are $4.99. You get a 60 piece. You get the crosses. They have the cross here for $9.99 to make a nice wreath. So they have some of the nice baskets down here. Like I said, they haven't really finished putting things out. These are the color cups. Watch eggs change color. You get 5 color cups, 5 dye tablets, and these are $3.99. You get the Easter paper crafts here. You can put the eggs on the inside of these for $7.99. The garden flags, they have that one. He is risen, $7.99. And they have the Easter bunny, says welcome, happy Easter. All of these are $7.99, but I really love that one right there. They have garland, $6.99. They have the Easter banners here for $3.99. And look how cute the garland is. The eggs here, $7.99, and you have this small one right here for $9.99. More of the garland, $9.99. And look how cute the little flowers are right here, the little pinwheels. These are 99¢. The Easter garland, $2.99 for those. And they have tons and tons of the picks here. And guys, look at this little middle cap right here. They have a lot of little Easter items here that you just put out. This bunny right here. They have these little rabbits I showed you earlier. They have this little family of bunnies right here, $11.99. And look how huge those eggs are right there. I don't know the prices of those. They have the cross here. Very nice. It is $19.99. And they have Minnie here with her little Easter basket. She is $49.99. They have the little lambs here, $9.99 for those. Here is Mickey. Mickey has his Easter egg here. They have the bunny salt and pepper shakers here for $5.99. They have the 8 Easter egg, the 8 Easter crackers here. A lot of the bunnies, different ones. These eggs right here are beautiful. They have the white and they have the blue. They have the brown bunnies as well. Alright guys, and just a sneak peek of their spring items that they have here. They have dustpans and the little brooms. They have plates here. Those are really nice. They're plastic. They have the little timers here in turquoise. These are the bread boxes here in turquoise and pink. Lots and lots of towels, kitchen towels, table runners up there for $19.99. Very pretty. And what is this right here? This is a cup and a platter. Let's see. But it comes in white, turquoise, and pink for $14.99. They have the little small bowls right here, $3.99. And the little Easter, the little pink. I only see pink back there, the little these right here. Cube trays, they have pink, gray, and turquoise. And I'm not sure what you can use these for. I guess you can use it for maybe a coffee or something, a small coffee. But they have turquoise, green, and white. They have the large pink ones here as well. They have some of these cute little tumblers right here for $15.99. And look at these placemats here. They have pink, white, and blue, and these are $2.99. They have a lot of the other placemats here as well. They have these nice bowls here or plates you can use. They come in different colors. $11.99. I see a blue one there. And they also have the smaller ones here as well. I see some of the bee items here, the honeycomb items. This towel right here is $7.99. They have the pot holder. And they have the table runners up there for $29.99. And it looks like everything is on sale. You get a 40% off pricing guide here. So everything is 40% off. Alright guys, so before I leave, I wanted to show you these nice colors right here. Look at this right here. Look at these colors. They have this. It's a good day to be happy. These are $6.99. Look at that with the faces. They have the nice colored mugs. Different ones. A pretty green color. Look at the plates here with the faces. $3.99. They also have the placemats here with the faces. We have these. Placemats are included. Look how nice these spoons are right here. $7.99. They even have the plates to match. Nice table runner right here, guys. $29.99 for that. And look at these. Very beautiful. And they're all 40% off. They have these pretty napkins right here. These different colored napkins. Linen. $3.99 for those. And look at these nice canisters right here. $19.99. And they have the bowls. The bowls are $9.99. Nice platter right here. $29.99 for that. Look at that. Very cute. Alright, they have the llamas. Look how cute these bowls are right here. Look at these. And there's another table runner there. The napkin holders, napkin rings. Alright guys, so I just wanted to pop into Hobby Lobby to see what they had to offer. If you're new to my channel, hello, welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, share, comment, like. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get alerts each and every time I upload. Look at this picture right here, guys. $39.99 for that. And they have the glasses to match. And the stemless wine glasses. They have these right here. And these are the spoon rest here. Different colors. $3.99. But thanks so much for stopping by my channel. It looks like they have a lot of their containers in different colors, things of that nature. Look at these baskets right here in the turquoise. All of these items are 40% off. Look at those. I love the yellow right here. So you get a set of 5 storage bins right here for $11.99. Would be great for your desk, kitchen, the blues. But guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.